Okay, part 3 of doing popcorn. First one, second, put your butter away. Yeah. And put back on the stuff I'm using. And eat. Awesome.